Hello everyone, this is Rahim Zulfikar from Excel Basement, and today in this video we will learn one very great and awesome technique regarding the changing the formatting of a cell on one click. And this is very useful in dashboard reports which we make in Microsoft Excel, or the standard reports you make daily on different purposes. So in this video we will learn one technique, that how we can change the format of a cell with respect to the numbers. Sometimes we need numbers to be seen as comma formatting with decimal, or for example we need to see the profit as a percentage, right? So we need to go to Home tab and use the number group, and here we can do the customization as we want in the different formats. For example, if we want to convert a number into a currency with a symbol, or with a percentage with 2 decimals. So we need to use every time this group, number group, for the different rows. But what we will do is we will create one technique and we will control it by the help of a formula, or you can say a nested formula within two, three functions, and we can execute the same procedure as we do with the Home tab and number group. So this technique will be very useful in dashboard reporting, as we need to change the format of a certain row on ad hoc basis. So in this example I have drafted one data that on the left side you can see that we have two columns, that is formatting options which we need, and the formatting code with respect to the format options. For example, if we want to see these two revenue numbers into the dollar sign, with the dollar sign, we need to have a dollar sign with the number formats. We can do these kind of things within the custom format as well. You can just right click on the cell and you can go to format cells, and you can customize the formats as you like with the some symbols, right? But what we will do is we are required to have these format options within these numbers with respect to these format codes. So here in the format options column we will create a data validation, and from here this data validation, as soon as we select the format options, it will convert these numbers which we have looked up from the database into the respective format codes. So let me just show you how we can do this. Is for getting these numbers of revenue, expenditure, cash flows and the related items, I have just used the VLOOKUP with the match function, and which is very easy. That the revenue is being looked up in the database, and that particular 2012 year has been has the outputs of these numbers with the respective line items, and it just returning us the numbers. So I hope you understand this function, VLOOKUP and match. Now generally these functions fetch the output or returning values, but they don't format, right? For example, I want to see this percentage of new customers as a percent format, so I need to go to Home tab and just select the relevant number format from this drop down menu. But I want to customize it by my own. For example, I want to have all these options, and I just want to put these options into a data validation list, and when I click on that certain format options, it just apply on these output cells. Okay, so how we can do this? First you need to go to data tab and click on data validation, click on list and define the source. So our actual source is this list, format options list, and just click OK. You can also select this array and create a name range, and you can use in the data validation as well. So now we have a list of possible format options, and for example, if I want to convert these two numbers into the with the dollar sign, I will select currency dollar. That's the description, right? Or if I want to see these two numbers as with the 2 decimal points, I can just have number with 2 decimals. So when I click on this format options, it will execute here. The formatting of that cell will be executed. So how we can do this is we have to use the text function, right? So we will be executing the text function, and within the text function we will be using one more function, that is VLOOKUP. So how we can do this is, let me just show you. Equals to VLOOKUP simply, and lookup value will be the format options, comma, table array will be my database of this area, format options column, and the format code I will make it absolute. You can define as a name range. Column index number, which is the output. From the second column we have the format codes, and false is the exact match. So when I select any format code from here, for example percentage, the actual percentage return value will be fetched from this format code. For example, here it is. And when I select any other criteria, you can say currency with the $sign, it will just give me the format codes here. Now what I want is, I want in this cell a number which will be converted into this format. Okay, so I need to put or execute or nested, you can say, the text function in it. So how we can do that? Equals to text, okay, bracket open, and this existing VLOOKUP which fetches the format codes will be in the format text function argument, but in the value we need to have one more lookup, something like this. VLOOKUP bracket value function argument will fetch or return the value of that required name or the KPI, you can say, and the second VLOOKUP will fetch the format codes. So I am adding one more VLOOKUP that will just give me a number of that particular item list. Example VLOOKUP, which is the revenue from this database, and we know that 2012 is the fourth column, is the returning column. You can also use the match function as well if you want. Alright, that VLOOKUP is closed. Press add the comma here, and the format text is the VLOOKUP which will gives us the format code criteria. Bracket close and press enter. So now you can see that I will just make it the mixed referencing so that I can use it for the further reference. Alright, so I will just drag this and drag it to 2013 as well, and 2014 is in the sixth column. Sixth column, yes, and this is the I. Alright, so I have revised the formula here. There are two VLOOKUPs within the text function. The first VLOOKUP is returning the value from the above database, and the second VLOOKUP is returning the format codes which we are required from the drop down list, and the text function is executing that number exactly from the format options we want. For example, if I want these two numbers as a percentage, so I will select here %, so it will automatically show me as a % sign. You can see that. Or if I want to change the format options, for example, number with 2 decimals, when I click on that I will get number with 2 decimals. And one more example is, if I want to see this with a different symbol currency code, I will just click on that and that just change. So now, for example, if I just put these lists into a data validation, for example, I go to data validation, list, and I will select the descriptions from here, and let's suppose I click on revenue, okay, and I just copy and paste here. And let me just copy and paste the format options also here. So for example, if I want to see the revenue as a $sign, I can just put it as a $sign. I can see that on one click it changes to the $sign. Or if I don't want to have the revenue, I want to see the profit as a percentage. Again, I need to change this as a percentage, so I can just easily use the drop down menu and click on percentage, and I can just have the correct format for that. So in the dashboard reporting, you can easily use this technique to customize the format settings of within the cell, and you can make your work and you can save the time easily. I hope you like this video and like this technique. Do execute in your reports and do let me know that how it was easy for you to change the formattings of the cell. Thank you.